Welcome to the tutorial number 29 in the JavaScript series, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about creating or adding a function into the object. At this point we have only learned about adding these properties like title, name, page number or anything else like that, and now we're going to talk about adding some functions to it. And what function I'm going to do today is just that uh, I'm going to create a function. Let me just create it. Function, and the name of the function is price. And in the body, what I do is I just create a variable that is price. Okay, where price, and what this does is this returns price. All right. So you can see that this function, the name of the function is price. It creates a variable that is price and it returns this variable. And here I'm going to create a name of the function, alright, which the instance is like my book, this my book, and another is the book one. Alright, these instances is gonna use the name of this function which I'm gonna write over here, not this function. Alright, so you have to remember what the instances will use. For example, let me just create this, and this dot get price. Oh sorry, we don't have to use this, and this is calling the function. You can see this get price is the name of the function that this instance is going to use, and this is the function, which this function will call later. Well, we have learned that we always use parentheses in front of functions, but when you are calling a function in an object in this way, and then you don't need this parenthesis, just the semicolon is enough. And so just keep that in mind, when you are in the object, when you call a function, you don't use parentheses. All right, now another thing that I want to tell you is you can see there are two instances that have already been created, my book and book one. So what I do is, as I told you, the name of the function is this get price. So book one dot get price, and here we have to use this parenthesis. All right, so just remember this. And you can see this calls this function, and this function returns 100 over here, and this gets the value of 100, and here comes 100, and document that right 100. So it should print 100 into the Chrome. So you can see this 100 into the Chrome. Well, in this example what I've done is I have created actually a static variable. Alright, that is, if any instance of this book is over here, and if the book instance is calling this function, so its price is always going to be 100, but you can change it by any different values. It's all just a matter. For example, you are creating another thing, that is another property, that is page number. Alright, and you add some values to this page number. Alright, I'm not going to do it, I'm just going to tell you an example. Alright, you can create this page number value. Alright, and what you're going to do over here is make the if statements, like if the pages is between 200 to 300. If a book contains 200 to 300 pages, the value of that book is 100 rupees or $100. Or if the page numbers is between 300 to 500, then the price is something else. And if the page numbers are different, then the price is something else. Either use if conditions or switch conditions. That gonna make your the price or this value as a dynamic at this point. So this is all about adding a function uh, into an object. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.